Hey there, it's Mary Gall. You deserve a round of applause. I know how tough it can be managing your business on your own. It's so easy to feel isolated and overwhelmed. But guess what? You don't have to go it alone. Join me and 5 other incredible women entrepreneurs at the upcoming Biz Bestie Getaway. It's happening in Colorado the first weekend in October. We're gathering at a beautiful country estate to share strategies, set goals, and of course, have loads of fun. From workshops to dance parties, this weekend is all about turning our solo struggles into collective strengths. Don't miss out on making new friends and rejuvenating your business spirit. All details are listed down below. Spots are limited, so sign up today and let's make the last quarter of the year the best one yet. And full of applause.